for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, security system, convertible, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.